Hi there, my name's Lisa Caldognetto and I've been challenged by Get the Gloss to do the 7-minute makeup challenge. I feel really hot. I shouldn't have worn a jumper. A bit nervous about this. Can I get it done is the question. Keep watching to see, I guess. Right. I'm scared. Let's do this. Got my timer. Ugh. There we go, right. I'm faffing already. Great. Starting off with the Glossier foundation, the tint one. Perfecting Skin Tint, there we go. Wrong brush. Really nervous. And I'm gonna pop that all over my face. Focusing on the center. And I'm really prepared because I've not got another mirror. Let's get another one up. Just need a bit more. So just blending this with a My Kitco brush, which is molting all over me. Awesome. Thanks, brush. And then I'm going to go in with a concealer, the NARS Soft Matte Creamy something. It's not matte creamy. It's the NARS concealer. Right, I've got just over 5 minutes left. Another My Kitco brush. I'm just going to go back to my mirror. Feeling even hotter. Just blending that through. Sorry if I was blocking the mirror at the camera there. Okay. So now I'm going to do a bit of milk blusher. This is the colour Perk. Blend that in. Bit of highlight on the cheeks. I do like a glow, even though I feel really glowy anyway, because I'm just going to pat that Weleda Skin Food on the cheekbone. Right, 4 minutes 23 seconds. Now I'm going to do a quick something to my brow, just following that top arch. And then the front part. Oop. Just drew a massive line, like a line of an annoying brow hair. Oh, bronzer. Chanel bronzer. Whoa. So for me personally, if my skin looks good, I kind of don't mind everything else. Okay, I have a MAC eyeshadow stick. Just gonna draw that along the lash line and the crease. Take it underneath. 3 minutes. Whew. Blending that through with a fluffy brush. Ow, poked myself in the eye. Awesome. I'm gonna go with my favourite ever eye pencil by Marc Jacobs. These are the highlighter pencils and these are amazing. Just gonna draw it along the lash line. And then blend it through for a little bit of definition, and also pull it into the crease. What are we on? 2 minutes. Okay. Curl the lashes, curl the lashes. Just going to do mascara next using another Marc Jacobs number actually, which is, what is it? The Velvet Noir mascara. I just like it because it's quick. I need to get another one really. An instant drama. Right, 1.5 minutes left. Crap. Got a massive clump of something there. That'll do. Victoria Beckham lip liner. Smudge. Gloss. Gonna do more mascara. Oh my God, 58 seconds. My watch just decided to lock itself, so I'm gonna do more mascara in that time. Oh, crap. Got a blob of it on me now. And then I'm gonna do a teeny weeny bit of powder. Charlotte Tilbury powder, airbrush powder. I use number 2. And that's a bit annoying, isn't it? Oh my God. I did it! Just check it. It's workable. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's really not bad. I'm quite impressed. I need a really cold, refreshing... I did it! I absolutely did it. What do you think? I feel like there's a rogue... Got it. Bit of fluff on me. I need to cool down now. So that is my 7-minute makeup with Get the Gloss. I challenge you, Ruth Crilly. You have a go, see how you get on and what you do. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.